Right, so we're going to be having a sort out of the game room, bit of a change around, different order of things. All this behind us, my daughter's going to be having these shelves, well, this bookcase, so I've got new shelves which are down here. They are going to go up. I've got some organisers. I'm going to put some shelves up around here as well. I've got some posters and things. I just want to have a good organised, get rid of some of the tats, the fodder games that I don't really want. They've come with bundles. They're probably going to go to CEX. Yeah, so I'm going to get some footage of that, organise it all up. It's going to take a while. There's a lot to go through. And the other reason is I've bought a load of stuff, which I'm going to show you in the July edition of the new game stuff, but I need spaces for that. I don't have room for it at the moment. Fingers crossed I am winning a CRT TV on eBay at the moment. Fingers crossed that will go there. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you. So if I win the CRTV, it ends tomorrow. I'm currently winning. That is going to go there. So I'm going to have a nice big CRT there for my retro gaming. I will then put that flat screen over there. That will then have the PS5 connected to it and the Switch. So that's going to be for my main console gaming. Well, my modern, and then all the retro is going to be on the CRT. And then obviously CRT is thicker than that, so I can put some stuff on top of there as well. Really excited, if I'm honest. So first thing to do, I've got to empty all these off and then get that bookcase into my daughter's room. So without further ado, 1, 2, 3, and there we are. So I still got a lot of sorting out to do, but got some shelves in now, Switch controllers, N64 games. This is going to be my Pokemon collection now, so it's going to be Game Boy, Game Boy Advanced, DS, 3DS, and then we're going to have the Switch. So that's that. Got these stickers up. They didn't turn out as well as I thought, if I'm honest, but that's that. I've got some boxed consoles up there, Nintendo. Got the Switch, we've got a Rumble Pack, GameCube, Mario 2DS, and then some Game & Watches. These are new sealed. I haven't opened these yet, but well, I probably won't. Then just some game. I still got loads of stuff. I've got stuff that I've bought that I haven't got places for. That is a lot smaller than I thought it would be.
She said.
To be honest, all these posters are a lot smaller than I thought they'd be, like that one as well. So I'm just going to try and just get a few more for that. But we've got loads to sort out, loads to fill up. I got to hoover up and stuff. But it's getting there, it's getting there. And then we've got all this to sort out. And this. Great. Oh, and all that. But yeah, we are getting there. I've got loads of stuff I've bought that I haven't even shown you guys yet. I was hoping to have spare room for that, but I don't even think I got room for this. So I'm going to sell off a lot of these, like I said. A lot of the fodder I'm not going to keep. And then, well, I don't know what I'm going to do. I just haven't got enough space. So I may need more shelves again. But we'll see. But that's as far as we got so far. Right, so we're kind of done. Not quite finished. I've got loads to do, but I've just chucked a couple of box consoles down there. And then filled the shelves the best as I could with a few bits and bobs. They're all going to be moved around. I'm not happy with some of it, but it's getting late. I just want to get it done. I needed my bed back because it's bedtime soon. I've had a bit of a sort out. These are games I don't want to keep anymore, so I'm going to take these to CEX. There's 72 here, I think. 74, thank you, Dylan. 74 here, so hopefully I'll get a voucher for around 100 quid, I'm hoping. Fingers crossed, but then knowing CEX, some of these are probably worth 10 pence, so plus 70 quid. I'm hoping I'm average more than £1 a game, so fingers crossed, that's that. These are basically what I'm keeping at the moment. My favourite title, ones I'm actually going to play, I think I'm going to play from my PS library. So it's mostly PlayStation and Wii. I never play the Wii. I've got a stack of Wii games here as well, but I'm going to give those back to... Laura gave me those to go towards my collection, so I've asked if she wants them back. She's going to have them back. And then these were my own. PS2 games I'm never going to play. PS3 games I'm never going to play. Kept ones I think I may play. And then that's that. So that's as far as we got so far with the game room. Like I said, fingers crossed I'm going to win the CRT tomorrow, so that can go there. That is going over there. I'm Planning on getting rid of the Mac because it's not very good for 4K, so I will get a MacBook Pro. The printer is then going to go in that place, that's going, and I should have room there then for this TV, the Sky Q TV. So yeah, fingers crossed. That's the plan anyway. So that's the plan with the room at the moment. It's coming along. Like I said, I got more stuff to go in here. One thing I'm really excited about to show you, well, two things now actually, because I picked up another thing today. But yeah, I'll show you that in the July edition of New Game Stuff. Still need to find homes for it all because I am running out of space already. Obviously we can fit something up here, put these stickers up, and now I'm not going to be able to see them. But it might be a case of maybe sticking some shelves there. I may even get like a shelving unit there. Don't know yet. Running out of room, I need a bigger house. And maybe something there, like a shelving unit. I don't know, but we shall see. We shall see. But that's that for this episode. It is currently 10:30 at night, and it is getting very late. So I'm off to bed. I shall see you on the next one. So take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Ta-da.